Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you a full face of nothing new. I decided to pull out some makeup that I've either had for a very long time or just makeup that I haven't shown love on camera. I was gonna say in camera, on camera for a very long time. Today's video is a voiceover, so it's gonna be a little bit more chill. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the full clips of me blending because I know you guys love to see that. So with that said, if you guys are ready, if you guys want to slay your makeup look, grab your brushes, grab your cafecito, and let's jump right into today's full face of nothing new. Today's makeup look is not only inspired by this beautiful packaging of Gona jewelry, but we are also being sponsored by them. If you haven't heard of them, Gona Jewelry is based in Paris. We are fancy, y'all. And they sell pretty much anything jewelry, necklaces, earrings, but their main products are bracelets and charms, which is what I have. And I just had to share them with you guys because these are absolutely beautiful. The quality is insane. It does come with a little bag and a little box, which is perfect for gifting. And let me show you guys the bracelets that I got because oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. This is a Secret Garden charms bracelet. It is 14 karat gold plated and the charms are tarnish resistant. It is super easy to open. All you have to do is find where the little charm, the little lock is, and you just kind of dig your nail in there and it opens right up. You do have to be careful because one end does come off. So it is super easy. You can rearrange the charms as you please. I fell in love with the bracelet as is, but you can customize yours to your liking. My personal favorites are the dangling charms. They just add so much character. This one is called Romantic Encounters. This charm has engraved Lucky to Have You. Perfect to add if you're gifting it to a loved one, a friend, whatever. And my absolute favorite charm is one that says, with God, all things are possible. This is really close to my heart and it just really truly spoke to me, which is why I knew that I had to have it. Now, if you're in your Barbie pink era, like a lot of us are, then you need to check out the Fantasy Island charm bracelet. Again, you can customize it or just order it as is. Gona knows how to put a bracelet together, okay? So again, I ordered it as is. The Lock Your Love charm, it just sparkles, okay? This bracelet is definitely a little more glitz and glam. The cute little unicorn, like I just can't with this bracelet. It's super pink, giving Barbie vibes, pink era. We are here for it, okay? My personal favorite thing from this bracelet is not only the ease of opening it, but it has this stunning little safety chain with the little hearts on it, and it just really ties this bracelet together, okay? This is super girly, super glitz, super glam. It's just, oh, it is so beautiful. It looks so stunning on your skin, and it's going to look so beautiful on every skin tone. This is a jewelry brand you guys cannot sleep on, okay? You can use my exclusive 20% off discount code. It's Karina20 to save 20% off your order. The holidays are coming up, which is gifting season, and girl, we are going out with a banger. So make sure you check out my description box and shop for your bracelet. Customize it because trust me, this is going to make your loved one feel so special. Now let's jump right into the look. I'm starting off with the eyes today. This is the Juvia's Place I Prime, I Prep, or I Prep, I Prime. One of the two. I have been reaching for this product a lot because not only is it really good for the base, but I really like the color. I know I've said that before, but in case you're new, hey girl, I really love this, okay? We're gonna jump right into our eyeshadow color palette today. I didn't know what palette to use, but then I saw my Blends Bunny palette and I was like, yep, this is the one. Since I am taking inspiration from literally a jewelry box, I wanted to match the green as closely as possible. So I started with the shade Lux. It's a really pretty green. It's definitely giving like summertime grass green, which is not exactly what I wanted to go for. But we are creating a halo eye, so I just pretty much created like a circle around the eyes. This is the easiest way that I have found for me to create a halo eye. So I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to take that green, that forest green. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I don't think I've seen a green like that. And I know a lot of people have different opinions about Jaclyn Hill, but let me tell you, a girl knows how to make a palette, okay? If I had one palette to repurchase, this would be the one. I said it's just really good, the quality. Now I'm going to go back into my Blend Bunny Cosmetics Blends palette, and I'm going to take the shade Remedy. Sorry, y'all, I can barely see. I do not have my glasses on. So we're going to take that and we're going to blend that with that darker green. I left all the clips in. The only thing that I did is speed up the process because this video would be at least 30 minutes long and nobody wants to see me blend for that long, okay? As you can see, I go back multiple times and dip my brush. This is how I get the most saturation. Now I'm going to take a lighter shade. I'm going to go in with the shade Wildflower. It's yellow, but it has a neon green-ish undertone. And this just really blended all the colors together. I used a fluffier brush to get a more smoked out effect, and I just love the combination of the colors together. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer and my carving brush. I'm going to leave it linked for you guys because it is from Michaels. I got this one because of my girl Tatanisha. And then I'm doing the old trick where you lay a little bit of concealer on your lid, you look up, and that kind of shows you where your lid or where you naturally crease. So that's where I'm cutting my crease. I took a little bit of my Garnier micellar water with a Q-tip, and that wasn't really working. Like, I was struggling to take off the eyeshadow. So what I ended up doing was I took that same brush and I used a little bit of makeup remover. This is actually a great hack. I'm not saying that I made it up, but it is a great hack because I know P. Louise has a base, the cut carver, something like that. Girl, literally just use your makeup remover and that'll do the trick because it melts the eyeshadow. Just be careful where you place it. And then I went back with the Q-tip and the micellar water and I cleaned up the area just because I really wanted the green to pop, but you don't have to clean it up if you don't want to. It just makes the process a little bit easier. I'm going to mix two colors, Wildflower and Secrets. Secrets is a little more yellow, but it's leaning pastel. And I'm going to lay this down on the lid. You can totally just keep the eye look like this. It's giving Brazil, like literally that's what I thought, like the Brazilian flag. But you keep it matte, but I really wanted to add shimmer onto the lid since the bracelets are so beautiful. I am so obsessed. Lonnie wanted to take one from me. I was like, absolutely not, ma'am. These are mine, okay? So I'm going to go back and just add the same colors to the outer corners to create that halo sandwich effect, whatever you guys want to call it. Again, using the same colors in the same order. So darker green, lighter green, and then that yellow. Now, I wasn't sure what I wanted to add onto the center because I really wanted something to really represent the bracelets and the sparkles. So I'm taking a little bit of my NYX glitter glue. This is the holy grail of eyeshadows, or the gripper of eyeshadows, really. So I went into my Glam Light palette. This is the Michaela collab, and I took the shade Insane, and oh my goodness, you guys, I forget how beautiful this eyeshadow palette is. Definitely let me know if you want to see a tutorial using the blues because they are just so stunning, and I forget how beautiful this palette is. But I just layered that all over the center and it created the most beautiful, sparkly, lit from within look. We are applying some falsies, and because I don't have any new lashes to share with you guys, I am using something old but good, which are my OMG lashes in the style 1990. I did apply a little bit of liquid liner, just to hide the lash band, but you can totally opt out if you just want to keep it a little more simple. Now for the base, I'm taking this Palladio primer. I was gonna say eyeshadow. So this is pretty much the liquid version of their little oil absorbing sheets. You know which ones I'm talking about. They have like a rice powder on one side and then just the regular sheet on the other side. This is a good primer if you are more dry skin, but I have noticed that for me that I'm more oily, it did make me a little too oily. So I was like, okay, that's a reason why I don't reach out for it. But again, I just wanted to use products that I hadn't used in a while. So we're going to go in with the Pat McGrath foundation. This is the first time I'm showing it some love on camera, but I have been using her nonstop. And it is such a beautiful foundation, super lightweight. It is silky. It looks smooth on the skin. It's more for like combination to oily skin, and I just really like how it feels. If you love the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, this is literally almost identical to it, where it's more of a liquidy formula, but it has a medium coverage, I would say. It's definitely not full, but you can build it up to be a full coverage. For my concealer, I'm actually going to go in with the Kat Von D, actually going back into it. I did recently talk about this one in a video. If you haven't seen that, I will have a link up here. But I have been really into this concealer ever since I used it again. I'm like, oh my gosh, why is this actually pretty good? So this is going to offer you full coverage. I didn't even color correct. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I always color correct. And this... it's giving full glam. Okay, so if you love her products and you haven't tried this concealer, definitely want to try out. I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer using the Catrice True Skin Concealer, I believe. I just used a darker shade to give me a little bit of warmth onto the skin. The little wand broke off right here. I was so sad because I have no idea how I'm going to use this product now. If you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comment section down below. I was trying to contour my nose, but I really like this because not only does it give you that extra coverage, but it's so creamy and it blends out really, really nice. And it's a great way to use like older concealers that you may have around, or if you have a concealer that's way too dark, use it as a bronzer or use it as a liquid eyeshadow and get your money's worth, girl. Now, I don't know why, but I didn't feel myself using the One Size setting powder, but I did wanted to share these new blushes from ColourPop. This is a brand new collection. I think I'm going to do a full review on the collection. It comes with eyeshadows, blushes, as well as shadow sticks. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I can do like a quick little review with a little eye tutorial, or if you rather see it on Instagram, let me know. But I decided to go with the shade, I don't even know, but I'm going to have a link for you guys. It just looked really pretty on the cheeks. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. I am so hungry, you guys. I need to go eat. But anyways, moving on, I went ahead and applied a little bit of gel eyeliner. This is by LA Girl, and then we repeat the same process to the lower lashes using the exact same colors. You always want to start with your darkest shade and then just move your way down to the lightest shade. And that is really just going to complete the look. I did use a smaller brush, got it a little bit wet. Went in with a different color. This one, I believe, is called Glitter. And it's exactly that. Super glittery, really pretty. It's a lighter version of the green. And it just really made everything sparkle. And it brought the whole look together. So I love that. And then I added a little bit of a liquid highlighter. This is the About Face. And yeah, we just added that to add a little extra oomph. For my liner, I used Saucy Toffee from Milani, and then I went in with, I think, Saucy Gal from Artist Couture. I did use 2 different lipsticks because I felt like this was a little too dark. Actually, I lied. I used a lip gloss. This is also from Artist Couture, and it just brought the whole look together. I felt like it really went well with the eyes since I wanted the eyes to do the talking. So that is it, you guys. What do you think of today's look? This is a full face of nothing new. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Gona. I will have everything linked in the description box. I love you guys. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you in my next video.